So, um, so what is amortized analysis? Let's look at example. For instance, okay, we talk about hash table, right? We talk about hash table. Okay. So, so how large should a hash table be? Okay. We, supposedly if you don't have too many elements, you don't want to allocate a large size hash table because it's waste of the storage, right? But if your hash table is not big enough, it will overflow, right? So the goal is make the table as small as possible, but large enough so that it won't overflow. Okay? But the problem is, what if we don't know the proper size in advance? I mean, a lot of time, you don't know the size of the problem you are dealing with. So the solution here is to create what we call a dynamic table. Okay, dynamic table is like whenever the table overflows, you try to grow the table size by allocating a new larger table. Okay, I mean the allocation, memory allocation, the math or new from your programming courses. So after you create this new larger table, you can move all items from the old table into this new table and free the storage for the old table. So this is the basic idea of what we call dynamic table. Okay, so let's look at this example. Okay, so at the very beginning we have the table has only one unit. So after you insert the first element, the second insert is going to have overflow, right? So what you need to do is that you are going to create a larger table, so you grow the table size by, you double the table size, and then you copy the previous, all elements from the old table to the new table, and then you insert the new element. So this is what happens. You copy this one from the previous table, and then you insert the second element, so you're done, right?